In this figure, AP, AQ, this is R, BC are the tangents to the circle. AP, AQ and BC are the tangents to the circle, where AB is 5 centimeters, AC is 6 centimeters and BC is 4 centimeters. What we have to find? We have to find the length AP. Now, AP equals to AQ. AP equals to AQ. BP equals to BR. And CR equals to CQ. Why? Tangents from a point. Length of two tangents from a point are equal. Now बच्चे, in triangle ABC, I am considering triangle ABC. What is perimeter of triangle ABC? ABC. What is perimeter? Sum of all the sides AB plus BC plus AC. AB is 5 centimeter, BC is 4 and AC is 6 centimeters. Total is 15 centimeters. Now, AB plus BC plus AC. AB can be written as AP minus BP. Instead of AB, we can write AP minus BP plus BC. For BC, we are writing BR plus CR plus AC. For AC, we can write AQ minus CQ equals to 15. Now, बच्चे, AP minus BP plus BR. BR equals to BP. Instead of BR, we can write BP plus CR plus AQ minus CQ. CR equals to CQ. Instead of CQ, we can write CR equals to 15. CR and CR get cancelled. BP and BP get cancelled. What is left? AP plus AQ. But AP is also equals to AQ. Instead of AQ, we can write AP plus AP equals to 15. What we have to find? We have to find the length AP. 2 times AP equals to 15. And what is AP? 15 by 2, that is 7.5 centimeters. Therefore, option D is our correct option. The corresponding sides of two similar triangles are in the ratio of 3:4. We have two triangles ABC and let PQR. The corresponding sides of these two triangles are in the ratio of 3:4. Means AB upon PQ equals to BC upon QR equals to AC upon PR, and they are proportionate in the ratio 3:4. What we have to find? We have to find the ratio of their areas as per since all the sides are proportional. It means triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR because all the sides are proportionate. And as per area ratio theorem, if two triangles are similar, then area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR will be AB upon PQ का whole square. AB upon PQ is 3/4 whole square, that is 9/16, or we can write 9:16, and this is our answer. value of the roots of the quadratic equation x square minus x minus 6 equals to 0 are. We have a quadratic equation. What we have to do? We have to find the roots. What is the coefficient of x square? 1. Which is constant? Minus 6. 1 into minus 6 is minus 6. The roots of 6 can be 1 into 6 or 2 into 3. It is also 6. Either 2 or 3. One of them will be negative. Now x square minus x can be written as 3 into 2 is 6 and 3 minus 2 is 1. We will write 3x minus 2x minus 6 equals to 0. X square minus, on opening the bracket, we will change the signs. 2x minus 6 equals to 0. Take first two terms. X is common. X minus 3. Next 2 is common. X minus 3 equals to 0. We have two factors, x minus 3 and x plus 2 equals to 0. Either this equals to 0 or this equals to 0. X minus 3 equals to 0 and x equals to 3. Or x plus 2 equals to 0, x equals to minus 2. Therefore, the roots of the equation are 3 and minus 2. And the figure PQ and AB. PQ and AB are two arcs. It is a sign of arc. Of concentric circles. Concentric circle means two circles with the same center. Concentric circles of radii 7 cm and 3.5 cm respectively with center O. Angle POQ. This angle is given 30 degree. What we have to find? We have to find the area of shaded region. Now bachche, we have two radii. OA is radius. We are writing as a small r, is 3.5 centimeters and OP is capital R, 7 centimeters. What we have to find? We have to find this shaded portion. How can we find area of shaded region? Area of sector. It is a sector. It is a part of a circle. This is boundary of a circle and two radii. Area of sector with capital R with the radius 7 minus area of sector with small r radius 3.5 centimeters. If we take radius 7 centimeter, we will get the area of this whole portion, and taking radius small r, we will find the radius area of this portion. If we subtract the whole area from that whole area, if we subtract this area, we will get the shaded portion. What is area of sector? Theta upon 360 into pi r square minus theta upon 360 into pi small r square. What is theta? 30 by 360. We are taking it common. Pi is also common. R square minus r square. 30 by 360. 1 by 12 into 22 by 7 into r square minus r square can be written as r plus r and r minus r. A plus b, a minus b, that is 7.5, 7 plus 3.5 and 7 minus 3.5. What will we get? 1 upon 12 into 22 by 7 into 10.5 into 3.5. On solving it, what will we get? We will get 9.625 centimeter square, which will be our answer. If 3k minus 2, 4k minus 6 and k plus 2 are three consecutive terms of AB, Find the value of k. We have three terms a1, a2, a3. These are in AP. a1 is 3k minus 2, a2 is 4k minus 6, and a3 is k plus 2. All the terms are in AP. It means their common difference is same. a2 minus a1 is equals to a3 minus a2. What is a2? 4k minus 6 minus a1 is 3k minus 2 equals to k plus 2 minus 4k minus 6. 4k minus 6 minus 3k plus 2. Negative side outside the bracket. Signs inside will change. Minus 4k plus 6. 4k minus 3k. K minus 6 plus 2 minus 4 equals to k minus 4k minus 3k. 2 plus 6, 8. K plus 3k equals to 8 plus 4. 4k equals to 12. And what is the value of k? 12 by 4. 3 is our answer. Find the value of cos 48 degrees minus sin 42 degrees. We don't know the values of 48 degrees or 42 degrees, but we know cos 90 minus theta is sin theta. In the same way, sin 90 minus theta is cos theta. Now, cos 48 degrees can be written as cos 48 can be written as 90 minus 42 is 48 minus sin 42 degrees. What is cos 90 minus theta? Sin theta. Cos 90 minus 42 is sin 42 degrees minus sin 42 degrees. What will be our answer? 0 is our answer. Two different coins are tossed simultaneously. What is the probability of getting at least one head? At least one head means कम से कम एक हेड, उससे ज्यादा भी हो सकता है. On tossing two coins, what will be our possible outcomes? Our possible outcomes be either we get head on the first time and head for the second time. First time head, then tail. First tail, then head, or both times tail. Possible outcomes can be 4. What will be our favorable outcomes? What we need? At least one head. At least one head means first head, another tail, or first tail, second time head, or we can get both the heads. Therefore, favorable outcomes are 3. Therefore, the probability of getting at least one head will be favorable outcomes, that are 3 upon total outcomes. 3 by 4 is our answer. Find the distance between points AB and minus A minus B. We have 2 points. Point A with coordinates A and B. We have another point B whose coordinates are minus A and minus B. We have to find the distance between these 2 points. We have distance formula. What is our distance formula? x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square and whole under root. Now what is distance AB is? What is x2? Minus A whole square plus minus B whole square. Minus A and minus A, minus 2A whole square plus minus 2B whole square. What we get? Minus 2A into minus 2A, 4A square, plus minus 2B into minus 2B, 4B square. 4 is common, A square plus B square. We can write it as root 4 into root A square plus B square. What is root 4 plus minus 2? But we will write only 2 because distance can't be negative. This is our answer.